Here's my unboxing video of the Brettspiel Adventskalendar, the board game promo Advent calendar for 2018. I've already actually opened one, so we'll start there. And I'm going to do all of them in one video here. So this is a Luxor promo. Let's see. So it looks like, I haven't played Luxor yet, but some promo tiles. Luxor, the Gift of Luxor. And obviously the rules that go with it. So I couldn't tell you if it's anything interesting because I haven't played the game, but there you have. Oh, and I do want to make a comment on the box. I like the design of these boxes just because it protects the promos really well, but man, it is inefficient for space. So here's two. So let's see what two is. So two is, whoops, Stiefester. Huh. I don't think I know this game. Yeah, I don't know this game. But anyway, there's a look at the tiles. I guess one came out pretty easily. Put it back in its bag because I don't think I have this game either. And I'm doing this all at once just because I didn't get around to doing the normal advent calendar thing, where you open it once per day and it's like a little prize. So here's three. Let's see what's in three. Three. Spring Meadow. Two new tiles for Spring Meadow and the instructions to go with it. If I had Spring Meadow, that would be great. I think most people are looking for the, there's a few promos I think later on that were more popular. Oh, why aren't you coming out? It's like stuck. Oh, that's because it's such a big promo. Okay, the promo was like jammed into the box. So let's see. Yeah, it barely even fits in the bag. Minara. So I haven't played Minara yet, but we need to see it. Dus, the Chameleon. There's one set of tiles. I don't know, another set of tiles, and then the Chameleon expansion. So I guess these are a little bit bigger than promos typically. These are like kind of like mini expansions. I was fortunate to get in on this on Board Game Geek before they sold out, because I guess they go pretty quickly every year. So 5, and it's good value, right? Especially if you have a lot of these games. I only have like maybe 30 or 40% of the games, so it's not as great for me. So this is Teotihuacan, which is a game I don't have yet, but it sounds like at some point I probably will have to get it. Some new tiles for that. Where are we? 6. All right. So this is Elfin Land, which I was not a big fan of, but I guess there must be a big following to still be making promo expansions, or maybe it's really big in Germany, which I could see. I was never a huge fan of Elfin Land. Where is 7? 7. I do kind of wish that they, instead of having the number on here, they just had the promo visible, but Hookah for... I haven't even heard of this game. So maybe it's bigger in Germany. Could be. Oh. And hookahs are always popular, I guess, as an expansion. Where is 8? 8 is right here. Keyflower. Leafrent. That's probably going to be pretty popular. Nine. I think I remember that being 9. Gugong. Some new tiles for Gugong. Which, another game I haven't played and do not have. 10. I mean, there's just so many board games now, it's turning into like video games, or maybe even more so. Because it's, you don't have to go through, I mean, I guess it's like Steam, right? There's a huge number of games on Steam, because you can publish them so easily. The Fiefland, Das Fiefland Lowlands expansion. So this is a good game I don't have, but I may pick up in the future, because I've heard it's pretty good, especially the tension with the whether you should prevent the water from rising, or build the dike, or just like focus on your sheep farming. So this is number 11. Try to speed this up, because number 11, and this is a Dixit promo card. A really cool looking Christmas bunny. Really cool looking. Or maybe it's like an Easter bunny. Add that to my Dixit collection. So 12. 15, 12. Carson City, a game I thought about getting, but did not. $13, lucky number 13. So this is another card. Don't know what this card is for. Outlive. There's a card for Outlive. A game clearly I do not have. 14. There it is. Mercado, which I've considered picking up because it's so cheap on Amazon right now. Just because, but it's got very mixed reviews. 15. Get way down here. Oh man, this is a huge one. It's like barely fitting in the holder for it. So let's see, this is a big one. This is a bunch of tokens, rose tokens it looks like, for Wildlands. So this one I don't have, I probably won't pick up. It's like thorn rose tokens, but I can see people being interested in that one. So 16. It's just not my style of game. So let's see what 16 is. 16 is, oh, a special Christmas promo code for code names. Double agent tile. Which is kind of cool, but not the best, like, promo. I was hoping for, like, I don't know, more word cards or something. 17. This one's a fairly big one. This looks like Great Western Trail. Nope, Santo Domingo. So a game I have not played, but it looks like some maybe additional scoring tiles or something. It's kind of got the same art style as Great Western Trail. I guess that's why I confused it, but yeah, I should have known. 18. We're getting down to the last few days. Hopefully Christmas will be here soon. This is, I don't know. Carthago, Merchants and Guilds. So let's see. I guess it's Carthage. Yeah, so I don't know what these tiles do because I haven't played the game, but there you have them. Maybe it's a more popular game in Germany. 19. Pop this out. Ground Floor. I haven't even heard of this game. I mean, maybe they put some of these things in here to get you to take a look at some of the games. I don't know. $20. Oh, that's a cool idea. So penny papers. I haven't played this game, but it must be a roll and write. And it's got a different like set of score pads, which would be awesome if they would have included that for like Welcome to or something that I was planning on getting. 20, 21. Remember that for next year, guys. Welcome to score pads would be a great promo. So let's see. Great Western Trail expansion. Just new tokens for it. I haven't played Great Western Trail yet, but it's on my list for this next year. It's probably near the top of my list. 22. There it is. Crisis renewable energy modules. I don't know what Crisis is. The art does look really cool though. Maybe it'll cause me to take a look at that game. 23. Agra. There's the tiles for Agra. And the last one, 24. Because we don't get a 25th one in Advent, I guess. Don't get Christmas Day. This is Rajas of the Ganges. So I think, where's the Castles of Burgundy one? Well, I thought there was a Castles of Burgundy one in here, but this one's another one that's probably on my list to get either purchase or get in trade. So there you have it. That is the Brettspiel Advent Calendar. And if you want to see all the games on the back, there we have them. Maybe I, let's see here, did I miss? Yeah. No, 1 through. Yeah, I guess. Oh, there is one in here. Oh, I got to tear out the back for the big one. That's where it's hiding. All right, let me pop this guy open. I was like, I thought I missed the Castles of Burgundy one. Man, I was hoping to keep this box too because it's cool looking. Let's see. There it is. 25. And for your big Christmas present, you get more boards for Castles of Burgundy. You always need more boards for Castles of Burgundy, which is a great game. Oh, it's not more boards. It's actually, what is this? So this is a solo game. Oh, that's kind of cool. I guess they know their audience. So, solo mode for Castles of Burgundy. Anyway, there it is. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at the other board game videos and other content on this channel. And, of course, please subscribe, because that helps encourage me to make more content. And hope you have a great new year, and I will see you in the next video.